Welcome to our channel. Open your web browser and navigate to the Eventbrite homepage. Log in to your Eventbrite account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button to create a new one. Once logged in, click on the Discover tab to explore upcoming events. Use the search bar to find events related to your interests or industry. You can filter results by date, location, and event type for better relevance. Select an event that catches your attention and click on it to view more details. Take note of the event date, time, and location, as well as the ticket options available. If you wish to attend, click the Register or Get Tickets button. Follow the prompts to complete your registration and secure your spot. Once registered, add the event to your calendar for easy reference. Consider reaching out to other attendees via social media or the event page. Prepare for the event by researching speakers or topics that will be covered. Bring business cards or networking materials to share with others. On the day of the event, arrive early to familiarize yourself with the venue. Engage with other attendees and participate actively in discussions. After the event, follow up with contacts you made via email or social media. Reflect on your experience and think about areas of improvement for future networking events. Repeat this process regularly to continually enhance your networking skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.